I was asked how to create such elevated print in CLO3D. So let me show you. I have a t-shirt here and the print I made with ChatGPT. I place it somewhere on the chest. In the property editor, I can type in the measurements and right click. In the pop-up window, I select Trace as internal shape, which creates the outlines of the print. Now that has too many segment points, which will cause problems with the simulation. So I clean it by converting a lot of points to curve points. For the stars, you can do the same to keep the exact shape, or you can also delete some to get a straighter outline. Now select all internal shapes with the Transform Pattern tool. Right-click and select Clone as Pattern with Sewing. This creates a new pattern and you could apply the print to it, but in this case I don't want to apply it to all 4 pattern pieces, so I delete it and select the whole pattern piece. Right-click and select Layer Clone Over. Right-click again, remove the linked editing and cut the shapes. If you don't remove linked editing, it will cut the layer underneath too, which I don't want. I can delete the rest of the pattern and now I have to sew the pattern to the internal shapes. I will freeze my t-shirt here because I don't have an avatar underneath and simulate. And that's it basically. You can also create a new fabric and apply it to the pattern pieces. Change color and thickness to achieve your desired look.